In other news, reports say that a business associate of the US president had bragged that he would engineer Russian President Vladimir Putin's help to get President Trump to win in 2016. In a series of emails to Trump's lawyers, the business associate Felix Sater boasted about his ties to Putin and argued that building a Trump Tower in Moscow would benefit the businessman's candidacy. Reports suggest that Sater claimed to have helped organize a trip to Moscow for Trump's daughter Ivanka and son Donald Trump Jr. in the year 2006. The Trump organization has turned over these emails to the House Intelligence Committee, which is investigating the Russian meddling scandal in the presidential elections and whether anyone in Trump's campaign was involved.